OncDown function will handle the keys pressed in the same old way you already know. The core of this process is the call to another function called canFit that will tell us if a tetromino can fit in its new position. If we look at what happens when the player presses left arrow key, case 37, we see TCOL value is decreased by 1 and the tetromino is placed in its new position using placeTetromino function only if the value returned by canFit function is true. Also, notice its arguments, the current row, tro, and the current column decreased by 1, TCOL1. It should be clear canFit function checks whether the tetromino can fit in a given position or not. So when the player presses left or right keys, we check if the tetromino would fit in the new given position, and if it fits we update its TCOL value and draw it in the new position. Now we are ready to write canFit function, that wants two integer arguments for the candidate row and column, and returns true if the current tetromino fits in these coordinates, or false if it does not fit. According to game mechanics, a line can be completed only after a tetromino is landed. The idea, once the falling tetromino lands on the ground or over another tetromino, we'll check if there is any completed line. A line is completed when it's entirely filled by tetromino's pieces. The development, at the end of landTetromino function you should check for completed lines and eventually remove them. Change landTetromino this way.